Hello everybody. Today we will start doing actually it's a new app. We will do it as a part one for this app. So let me show the design and what I need to do the first pages right now. This is the app and I will do these pages, all of these, except these two things I will not do it right now because maybe we have another way to do it because only I need to do the login page and the register page, and I will explain step by step how can I do it. So let me start. First I need to move this here, and first of all we need to create a new project to start this application. We need write Flutter new project Flutter, and I will set it here. I will do it to do apps and make it right now. It will create the app for the yeah, that's good right now. Let me run it. I think I will run it inside the app version. Let me wait a little bit. I will remove the command line here. I will remove this command line and this command line. I will remove all the command line, but first, before I remove anything for the command line, I need to remove these things because it will not need it. Because first of all, we need to run the application to make sure that application is run perfectly. So after that we will remove these pages because we doesn't need it right now. So the app is installed right now. As you see, the app is working perfectly, but here we need to do a small thing, false I think, yeah, to remove this part, because if we doesn't remove it, it will the app all the time is the demo version, but we don't need the demo version, so that's why I need to remove it. And now I need to remove this scaffold first, yeah, and after I remove this scaffold I will remove this one, and I will remove this. It will show error here, we know. I will do it here, something, yeah, I will do it right now, a scaffold, yeah, you are right, scaffold, and body for the scaffold I will do the column, I will children, and I will give it a refresh. Now we have an error right now, right? We have an error said the main clean max no have. So maybe we should remove this. Okay guys, let's complete the working for the app. I need to change this title to app. So right now we need to start from the first page. We know the first page, but I need to write right now start for login page. So I will first of all I will take the color for this page. I will take the color and I will go this background color and color. Right now it takes the same color right now, and we'll get leading. I will add up bar, and if we give it the up bar this color, I will give it this color, the same thing, but leading icon button, and this icon button icon icons.arrow back in new iOS, because we need to make it the same for the design. And I will change the color for the icon, colors with white, and this is work perfect. Right now I will add the text, and this text its name login, but we need the font size for this text. At the same time we need to know it's bold and the type of text. For example, if we need to change style, text style, font size, I think it's a font size 32, right? Yes, font size 32. Okay, and the color is colors.white, and font family, right? No, we need to make it first. I need to make it font weight dot bold, right? It's bold, yeah. So after that we need to make it responsive, the screen. So we did this to make it responsive. Right now we will understand why I did that. Because right now if I need to, I will get a column right here, and this column I give it to children, but I will not add directly inside the children. I will add list.generation, and I will add 2, and inside 2 I will give it index, and I will this for index I will add another column, and this another column. First I will add text, username, for example. After that I will add text from file. Right now when I give it a refresh, it will show 2 things. And let me change the style for this text, the color, I mean, for this color, this white, yeah. At the same time I will add the cross, the stretch, yeah, it's a change. But for here I will add the size box to make it a more space. For example 20 I will add it, but it may be, let me make sure how much space I need to take from this and this part. I think we need to take the space between these 2 items. I think we need to take these 2 items. The size is 24, right? Yeah, I think we need to take it 24. Let's make it 30. I think it's better. If we make it 30 or 40, okay, 40 is better, I think. But first of all, let me make it decoration, input decoration, border, outline of border, and border radius dot circle, and the circle for border radius is 4. It's only 4. So yeah, right now let's make it 4. So I need to make it a little 4 spaces, size box, height, and this height is, let's make it 10, a little bit. But we need to make it another size box for this, right? I think it's a good one, this, yeah. Maybe this is a good one. Now I will not do changes for text type right now, because I need to make a small changes for the text file. So first of all, I need to make the text file specific. The text file, it will work. Let me make sure. Yeah, we need to make it a padding. is a padding, and this padding for this text file, sign text, horizontal 40. Is that okay for that? No, let me make it 30. I think it's 40. It's very 30. Yeah, and let's make it a little more. Let's make it start. But if we make it start, it will make a problem from here. So I will need to move this for padding using padding, and this padding we need to use only and lifting 30, right? Wow, it's the perfect. Okay, but also we have a small problem here. We need to see, I think I need to make it 30. Let me make it 30. No, it's 20 is a perfect one. And at the same time, let me make it 20. I think is 15. Yeah, it's a good one. I think it's a good one, right? It's a good one. Let me check if I need to make it this. Yeah, it's sound perfect. We need to as a color inside this one. The color, I think this one inside. Let's make it a full color inside. Invoked full color 0, and let's make it true. When we make it true, because we need to make sure to change the color right now, but we choose the wrong color for this. The right color for this, I think this one. Let me fix it here. No, not this also. Let me make it this one. I think so many is perfect. Yeah, this one. And right now we have hand text, right? Hand text. This hand text. Enter your username. And this username is a gray, I think. And we need hand style, text style for this hand style. Let me make sure which one the color for this. Yeah, this color we will use. I will use this color for this. Yeah, we make the same color for this one, and after that I will add elevating button. Elevating button will show right here under this elevating button, this one, and this one we will add text, login. Whoa, it's a good one. We need to make a side box height. After I will try something. It's a new right, really. And this elevator button we can change the background color. Let me change the background color. Elevator button. Dot style from background color. Background color. This is a background color right now. I will give us the height. I will give the height for this one. I think maybe it will not. We will give it a padding. I think it will fix it a better things. Let me make it version 41, but it's 50. No, not this. I will give it a padding, right? But I will give it horizontal 40, but for not 40. Let me change it to 50. I think no, 30, I think 30, yeah. It's the same right now for the, I like the same text file, but at the same time I will add the size box, and this size box I will give it a height 55, and inside this we give it a shape. Around this shape is the border to change the border radius. Border radius is the 4, is the circle for border radius is the 4, and then give it a refresh is changes the same color for these borders. So we need to change the color for the text. Color is the white. Color is white, and we will give it a font size. Yeah, it's a little bit is better, but we need to give it a height for this. So 50, 60. No, let me give it 60 right now. 70, or for example, yeah. I think it is a more better right now. We have also something like this row, and inside this row we have divider. And this divider we have a text, and we have a divider. But we have a small problem here. The small problem is that divider doesn't show inside the row. So to fix that, I think we need to make it center. To fix that, we need to make it expanded inside expanded. This one inside expanded, and this one inside expanded, to make it a little bit downer. Yeah, right now it will show. And to fix the problem, I will give it a height. I will give it 50. Yeah. Let me make it a 40 right now, I think. And right now we have inside this divider int 10 and int 10. Let me make these changes. Let me copyright this and make it the same inside here. Yeah. So right now we have something. We have two elevating buttons again, but we will not use this time elevating button. We will use something different. So what we will use? We will use outline button dot icon. This is a much better because the background, we don't have the background for these buttons, so that's why we need to use a outline button. So let me use these things. So first of all, I will make it column, and this column I will remove and list dot generation. I will add 2. And I will add indexed red outline button dot icon. And this outline dot icon I label text login with Google. icons.google.facebook. Let me make a Facebook, for example. Now we have something is we need to do added to fix this problem, and this cross dot stretch. And when we give it a stretch, it will take a size for this screen. At the same time, if you look it for that design, how can we do it? For example, we use something list generation. List generation, it will make a list inside. We need to write a code at once, but it make it a list at twice. So this is a list generation. Generally it's work, but here we need to change the size of the color, for example, and the icon for the text. I mean, this a blue, for example, and this a style, text style, colors dot white. But we will make it a little bit for bigger, font size 30, 20, yeah. And I will make this also size 20 also. But let's make it 30. I think I can change it. Yeah, 30 is better. But we need to make it first more spaces between these buttons, more spaces between the OR and the divider, and we need to make it a more horizontal or vertical. These two things we will make it for these icon. So let's start it for this. So to make it more spaces, first of all, we need to, I think, let me try to do this. If I do it this padding, what the hell it will do? Is bad this padding? It's a good one, but I need to make this padding inside this, not in the top. So let me remove this one and let me use this padding. And yeah, but we have something else. We need to make it a height for also the height for the bottom, because the height is very important. It shows to us the height. So the height is 48. For the height, 48. Right now, and we need to make it the border radius. To make the border is the work outline button dot is the same like elevating button, the text button, the icon button is the same as they all, no different for this. So to we give it a shape rounder and a border radius dot circle. We give it a 4 right now. Right now is a change the same, but we have something one else. This is something is we still don't the padding. I will give it centric, horizontal. I will give it 40, not 40. Let me give it 50. I will give it horizontal 40 between, not 40. I think is that 10 is better, right? Right, I think. Also, we need to make a size box between the divider and the OR and the outline button. So let me give it a 30. Yeah, that is perfect for this one. And we have a last thing we need to do for this page, and we will finish this video because it's very long, take a long video. So that's why we will do something like this. We need to do row and I think I will not write row, I will write rich text Spain. I will write children, right? Okay. We have a children here, but this is children. We will write text Spain. We write text Spain also, and inside this text Spain, we will write text text, and this text, yeah, no, I think we will add this, something like this, and I will add register, yeah, but the color for register, style, text style, the color for register is the white, and the font weight is a bold. So yeah, and right now we will add a text inside this text pane. Here is text, and we will add this message: don't have an account. I will make it a little bit spacer here, and for this one I will make it a size box. I will height 30. Okay, but for this one I will make it a center. I will add a center here. Yeah, so I think, but I will try something to remove all the size box and use for the column to make it minimizing for all the space between space. For example, let's try to do it. If it's all work perfect, I will remove all the size box and I will try to do it. But so I will comment this one, and I will come on this one, and I will comment this one. No, not this. I will comment this one, and I will comment this one. I will comment this one also. I think this one is not to comment it right. Not to comment right. This one is inside the column. Only between I need to comment. I will comment this one also. Right now I will write main axis of alignment of space between space around, for example. Wow, I think this is a much better. This is a much better to use it and work with it, because it will work perfect with the devices more easier. But let me try something. Space around space evenly, and this is a little bit is better. And right now I will only move this one. I will use a padding, and I will move this padding only for left thing, and I will give it a 50, a 20, I think. Yeah, I think right now the apps is work perfect. Let me make this one. We have a problem here, so I will need fix it right now directly. I need to make this. We have two things to fix this problem. First of all, we can make a single chart, and we'll fix the problem. But actually, if we make it a space between size box, it will make app is perfect. And also we have something we can use. It is like a list view builder. I think list view builder is much better for this one. So let me remove. Let me make a copy for the whole code here until this one, and let me make a small thing list view, and inside list view let me make a short true, and I will add it, and we will fix it like this. It's much better, I think. It's much better. Right now we will see if it will fix it and will work perfect, because when I add single a child, it make a problem for the space between the items, so I don't want that. So that's, I think, is the more perfect. Well, that above our app right now. So that's all for today. This is a part one for the to-do apps. We will do the register app tomorrow, I think. I'm sorry for this word, tomorrow. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.